Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to resize image on Windows 10 laptop. So let's see. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to open up your image, just like what you see on the screen right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply navigate to the image, right click on the image, and this is going to pop up. Then simply go to resize image, and it's going to open up like so. Now right here, this is where you need to enter a figure. Let's, for instance, I want to change this to 500 by 200. Then I'm going to increase the resolution to something like 100%, and then you have the detail just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on save, and it's open up like so. Next thing we want to do is to locate where we want to save the image after the resize. So I'm going to simply save it somewhere here, and I'm going to rename it image resize. Then I'm going to simply click on save, and you can see successfully saved to this particular folder. Then view folder right here. So I'm going to click on the view folder, then we have the image right here. So by the time I click on the image, and then the size is going to be different without losing the quality, and we still maintain the 100% higher resolution. You can see the original size right here, and then you can see the this is the original size, and this is the resize to my new format, which is 357 by 200 pixel. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to resize your image on Windows 10 laptop without losing the quality. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.